Hello guys, today we'll be reviewing the Infinix Note 30 5G. This device has so many similarities with the other phones in the Note 30 series. Since I already did the review of the regular Note 30, we'll be looking for areas where this Note 30 5G is different from the other devices in the series. This is an Android 13 device with a storage capacity of 128 gig and 4 gig of memory, expandable by another 4 gig. It runs on a 5000 mAh battery and powered by a 5G processor, the Dimensity 6080. For about 28 days now, I've not been on YouTube making videos as usual. If you are wondering what I have been up to, let me tell you a bit of it. 8 years ago, I started learning website design. But recently, I decided to take things a bit further by building an online shop. It's a basic structure with a mobile and desktop version. I'm building it in such a way that a customer can make instant payment on that site or click on a WhatsApp link and get directed to a customer agent. Now you know what I've been doing over the past few weeks. Please let me know if this site is awful or if it is good, and if there's anything you want me to improve on, let me know as well. Anyways, I'm here now and nothing will distract me anymore from making YouTube videos for you guys. So this is the phone right here. It looks like the other phones in the series when it comes to design. With only 165,000 naira, this might be your first 5G phone. The packaging box does not provide any major difference. Here you will find the phone wrapped just like the regular Note 30. The same eject pin is still the same, though it is different from the regular ones Infinix usually design for their entry-level phones, but this particular one is the same for the Note series. And then in this little package, this is where you will find a supplementary screen protector and an auxiliary cleaning kit. The next item in the box is this protective case, and it is very ugly. It is not that the protective case is not beautiful enough. That is not what I mean. What I mean is that the fact that it is not flexible does not make sense to me. This is the kind of protective case that Infinix and Tecno uses for their 60,000 naira entry-level phones. Why use it on a 5G device? Even the regular Note 30 that is cheaper has a flexible protective case. So this does not just add up at all. The last set of accessories in the box are the headphone, a Type-C cable, and a charger. The size of the charging brick remains the same, but this one can charge faster. This is a 45-watt charger against the 33-watt charger for the regular Note 30. Now, that raises an important question. Does it not support wireless charging? Where is the wireless charger? Unfortunately, if you are buying the regular Note 30 or the Note 30 5G, you are stuck with wired charger. Wireless charging is reserved for the Infinix Note 30 Pro or the Note 30 Pro VIP. Now, design-wise, it has a camera section that extends outward. The regular Note 30 has a camera module that blends with the back of the phone without any form of elevation. The main camera has a 108 megapixel sensor, but in all, there are 3 cameras at the back. Every other design aspect stays the same. That includes the power button, a SIM house that can hold 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time and still support 5G internet, a dual speaker setup, and a Type-C charging port. The power button is also the fingerprint scanner, which is one of the 3 security features on the phone. The other 2 are the face unlock and password and pattern lock. Now back to the design of the Note 30 5G. About the design, let me reserve my comment until the end of this video. But if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is the point where you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of my review community. This will ensure that you never miss any video from me as well. And if you also like this video, that will make me so happy. Now, moving on to its camera, it doesn't surprise me at all that it has a whole 108 megapixel camera sensor. Note 30 Pro and Note 30 Pro VIP has the same sensor, and if the Note 30 5G had come with anything less, it would not have made any sense at all. The main camera takes really good pictures. Under different settings and conditions, images are clear and sharp. The quad flashlight at the back also makes it possible for the camera to bring to life objects that are in the dark. Using the flashlight in the dark is better than using the night mode of the camera, provided that the image is in close range. There is a dedicated camera for portrait photos, so we expect the portrait mode to provide a flawless result, and it does. So with the portrait mode, you get more than a standard shot, especially if you are a good camera person. As for video recording, you still get the normal quality you will find on most Android devices. You get sharp and a little color enhanced video. It makes sense though, but literally, most iPhones with lesser camera sensors will do a better job. But all the same, I like the fact that you can get a handful of customization with this camera. Then it comes to the selfie camera. The narrative is just about the same. nice pictures, good portrait shots, and great video recording that can handle lots of tasks such as TikTok live and video calls. Does this mean that the camera is exceptional? Not at all. This is exactly what we expect from a 160K device in 2023. The cameras are good and we expect nothing less. The display is also one of the aspects of the device with average specs. It has a punch hole notch for the selfie camera and a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. With up to 120Hz refresh rate, it responds so fast to touch, displays nice graphics, and doesn't give blurry pictures when scrolling. All these specs I have mentioned look good, but again, remember we are dealing with a 160K device and normally these are what we should expect. And secondly, the huge bezels at the bottom of the screen is a bit off for me. Now, as for the performance, someone from India commented that he heard that all the phones in the Infinix Note 30 series pop or displays add a lot. That is completely not true. This phone is capable of smooth performance. The battery lasts as much as it should, more than a day on average, and it doesn't lag. It also provides a smooth gaming experience, which is so interesting, considering that some of those who are interested in 5G are also interested in gaming. When playing eFootball under its highest graphics settings, it doesn't lag or frustrate the game. The same goes for Call of Duty and PUBG. So far, the only advantage with this device, at least the noticeable one, is its 5G capacity. Nothing new is introduced in the design, and when you operate it, it feels just like every other phone. I think it is important to mention this because since it is the only 5G device in the series, a lot of people might think that it is actually the best device in the series, whereas it doesn't come with a wireless charger and the storage space is capped at 128 gig. But so far so good. I think the Infinix Note 30 5G is value for money. It would have been an issue if it has gone beyond 180,000 naira. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Click this video to watch the review of the regular Infinix Note 30 and see you there.